If you or a loved one used talcum baby powder-based products before being diagnosed with or died from ovarian cancer, call the Women's Helpline today. 800-457-3280. 800-457-3280. 800-457-3280.
Because I love hunting for paperwork. Because I like developing plans and start a business to grow. I've been busy searching high and low for proposal, but I had my hand like a
Staples wants you to spend your time doing what you really love. That's why we have organizational solutions for any business, so you can clear the clutter and focus on what you Staples, less mess equals more success.
Have you racked up more than $10,000 in credit card debt? Are you barely getting by, making minimum payments? You should know, the credit card companies are tricking you into thinking there's no way out. Credit card companies would rather you didn't know that there are ways you can become debt-free, and you don't have to pay the entire amount you owe. There are debt relief programs that help people like you escape overwhelming credit card debt. National Debt Relief has helped tens of thousands of people just like you reduce more than $500 million of debt. National Debt Relief has helped so many people they're A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau. You don't have to declare bankruptcy.